My baby ran away from me. I was so close to getting the clothes on. And she ran away to play with her toy. Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Get down. You can't be in my lap, Bella. You're too big. You're too big. Sit right next to me. There you go. Aubrey, come here, baby. Come to Mama. Come here. Aubrey. Aubrey. You can bring your toy with you. Aubrey, come here. Come to Mama. Aubrey, want this lotion? Come get the lotion. Go get the lotion. Oh, you fell into Mommy's trap. You fell into Mommy's trap. Finally got the baby dressed. It only took me like 15 minutes. She's crazy hard to get dressed now. She like runs away from me every 5 seconds. You sit in your little plate. Oh yeah, we made for you. Huh? Okay. Baby is all set. Yeah. There you go, baby. Want your juice? Yeah. You're just a silly girl. What, baby? Come here. What are you doing, silly? Come here. Okay, there we go. Was that better? You just want Mommy to hold you? Yeah. Here, let's go sit over here. Aubrey, you better turn around. You were gonna get a bite.
Can I at least have my fork back?
Rude daddy. Yeah. Our little beggar.
Chicken?
Yes, please. I want to drink first. I can't get it open. You're so strong. I don't like Powerade. What? How's your day? Really? Oh. Aubrey, you're standing right there in that light and I just can't get ya. You're just all white.
Here's what's gonna happen.
She's so bossy.
You're gonna stop yelling at me. Because I'm not giving you no more.
Look at my little bossy girl.
Man, there's maybe some more. I'm hungry.
Some more rice?
There's more than
Oh.
Oh, why are we videoing? Sorry, Aubrey, there's no more. Daddy ate it all because he's fat.
Do you want to warm up?
Yes. Like a minute. Huh?
Like a day?
Like a minute.
You said like a day.
I swear I said like a minute.
Oh.
Aubrey, Aubrey, say dada. 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 Did you give Mama my kisses? Dada. 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 Hey, say dada. Say dada. Dada. Say dada. It's not funny. Dada. Dada. Say dada. Whichever one you can go. Aubrey. Aubrey.